Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful flower keychain. It's a cute accessory you can hang on your bag, keys, or even gift to a friend. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Make sure to watch until the end. You'll not only complete this project, but also help us stay motivated to bring you more free tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crochet inspiration. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 1, make 6 single crochets into the ring, then close with a slip stitch. Great start. Remember, keep your stitches even. This will make the center neat and tidy. For round 2, chain 1. Make 6 increases. This means 2 single crochets in each stitch around. Finish with a slip stitch. Well done. This round builds a strong base for the flower center. For round 3, chain 1, then make 12 single crochets around, closing with a slip stitch. At this point, don't forget to stuff a little fiber fill inside the flower center. It gives a soft and puffy look. Great job, you're halfway through the center. Now, round 4 will form the front petals. Work in the front loops only. Start with chain 3, make 1 double crochet, chain 3 again, and slip stitch. Repeat this pattern. Slip stitch, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch all the way around 11 times. Close with a slip stitch. Wonderful! The petals are now beginning to bloom. For round 5, we'll create the back petals. Work in the back loops only. Chain 4, make 1 treble crochet, chain 4 again, and slip stitch. Then repeat slip stitch, chain 4, treble crochet, chain 4, slip stitch 11 times. Close with a slip stitch. Beautiful! Now your flower has a layered, full look. Make 2 identical flower centers following these steps, then sew them together with your yarn needle, leaving a small opening to attach the strap. This makes the flower look firm and polished. Finally, let's create the hanging strap. Chain as many stitches as you like, depending on how long you want the strap. Slip stitch back down the chain and secure it to the flower. You can adjust the length to fit your preference, short for keys or long for a bag charm. And there you have it, a lovely crochet flower keychain. Congratulations, you've finished your flower keychain. It's a simple yet adorable project, perfect for beginners and great as a handmade gift. I hope you enjoyed crocheting with me today. Please support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. And remember, your support motivates us to create even more beautiful crochet designs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.